How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to transfer funds from Trust Wallet to PalmPay. So the very first thing you need to do is simply convert your normal crypto to Palm tokens. So PalmPay only allows you to receive transactions if you're receiving Palm tokens. So simply find a suitable exchange to swap your crypto into Palm tokens. This could be Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. You then have to deposit your normal cryptocurrency into the exchange and then trade it for Palm tokens. And then finally, withdraw the Palm tokens back into your Trust Wallet, where you can then begin the transaction and send them to PalmPay. So simply select the Palm token on Trust Wallet, then tap Send, then go ahead and paste in the Palm address and input the amount you'd like to send. And once you're all done, you can then review and confirm the transaction. So that's simply how to transfer your funds from Trust Wallet to PalmPay. If you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.